This is Ritik Rajesh, and I'm excited to share my first task from my internship at Pinnacle Full-Stack Interns, the personal blog. Some of the technologies I used during this process were HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all in order to code and style the web page. Now, before I get into showing the final result and diving deep into how I coded it, I'd like to thank Pinnacle Full Stack Interns for this opportunity, and it and they helped significantly throughout this portion. Now, let's dive deep into how I actually coded this project. So this is the homepage if you want to see, but let's go into the code. So firstly, here is my index page. I used HTML to code this. As you can see here on the left, I have a lot of different files. Um, so this is the index page. My next page is the bio, which I will go more in depth and show the final result later. I also talk about some of my accomplishments, my passion, and my travel experiences. Um, I also included a CSS file, which was pretty large. It has over 400 lines of code, but all these lines of code they all combine all the different files that I used, which is why it's this long. I probably could have split this into various different files, but I just chose to do it like this. And lastly, here's my JavaScript code. So now let's dive into how the project turned out. As you guys probably saw earlier, this is the home page of my personal blog. I have a nice background image, and I just included a small description about what I'm going to be covering throughout this blog. So now I have links to all the different pages. Let's start with the bio page. So I just included things about me, some of my passions as well. And if you want to go back to the home page, you could either click where it says my name, or you could go to the menu and there's the home button. We can also go and access the other pages through this. Right now I'm on the bio page, so I'm just going to go to my passion, where I have all of this. And also towards the bottom there's a back to the top button, which just scrolls all the way back to the top in case if people get lost. Next, let's go into my accomplishments. So here I have a few images, and I just describe some of my accomplishments that I've received. And lastly, here's the travel page. I have background images for each of the different sections. And yeah, that's pretty much the entirety of my personal blog. I will be posting the link to the GitHub in the LinkedIn post if you guys want to go check it out in its full entirety. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and once again, I would like to thank Pinnacle Full-Stack Interns for this opportunity. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.